Hello future developers, welcome to another tutorial ABCD. Today we're doing a clock using rectangles and a circle. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'll go to my project, then select a rectangle, drag and draw to desired size, then click on these rounded nodes, and then to desired radius I'll just stretch it. Okay, so I think this is okay. I'm going to select the move tool and then select the rectangle again. I'm going to draw a rectangle inside. Okay, so this way the numbers and then our arm will be. Okay, give it a white color. Okay, and then align it. Okay, so I've aligned it. Okay, so let's try. Click on Alt to reduce both ends. Okay, then select all, align again. Okay. Okay, so click on the rectangle. Let's draw the hour arm. Give it a color value. And rounding it. Okay, let me just rather select an ellipse tool and rather hold on the shift key to draw this circle. Select this and then center them. Okay, so it's centered. Control C, Control. Okay, let me round in it first. Reduce it. Then Control C, Control F. Then I'm going to reflect it. Didn't work. Rotate it. Hold Shift to constrain its movement. Okay, and then let's see. 270. Okay. Okay, so the shutter arm. Control C. Sorry, Control G to group. And let's position it here inside our clock or the main body of our clock. Okay, and let's align it. See, I think it's centered. I don't know. Let me try positioning it manually. Okay, so let's all align them horizontally. Then the alignment tool. Select a rectangle. I'm going to draw the numbers, or yeah, the main points for the numbers. Okay, so that's 12 o'clock. Control C, Control F. Use the arrow key and the shift key to move. I think I need to reduce this. Okay, I'll reduce it. Okay. Let's select this and hold Shift and select the other one. Control C, Control F. Then I'm going to reflect or rotate them in this angle 270. Okay. Hold Alt to reduce. Oops, it seems to be reducing. Becoming thinner. Okay, so I'm going to select it individually. Select this. select this, then bring it in front, bring it inside a bit, leave some gap in between the body and the. Okay, so I selected all, then I group them, going to reduce them. Double click here and then give it a color value, darker one. Okay, so this is our clock, then clocky. Thank you for watching.